little jazzy.
Jazz Phil. My name's Bobby Machiavelli. And I'm chilling here with my brodies. Off of the top, it's Machiavelli. Best believe you know the free stay hot now. I don't drop off the beat, I don't know. Best believing I'ma jump on that and go flow like I go dumb. Chilling here with Alex and David, and yeah, we has this. Yeah, we headed to the fix kicks earlier, didn't see a win, but best believe you know we burning that. Motherfuckers are telling me that I can't, probably doing it, I kill it and off of the top, dang. Yeah, I roll that, they know that, and I'ma do that. Now motherfuckers post that throwback, now they saying, I remember way back then, Machiavelli tried to rhyme and we laugh at him. Now they see me on the stage, see me on vlogs, seeing me like, goddamn Bobby, you going far, goddamn. How he gonna do it like that? I never heard this damn beat, but best believe I could rap. Alex put it on the track, now I'm doing the digs. Yeah, I go in, yeah, you think the kid off the diz. I'm like, yee, holla it. Shout out my man, yeah, I rep his necklace. Yeah, I do it cause I can, yeah, that's word. Tanima Fadabi, I probably get it, best believing, yeah, you the kid named Bobby, going harder than motherfuckers, now I'm doing my thing. Rep, Mac Dre, best believing I bring something little different and it's off of the top. Spit your motherfucking now you know when it's hot. I gotta get it when they tell me that I can't, though. I gotta get it, best believing that's the plan, though. I'm about to be up on a stage, hopefully you cop a ticket. Best believe you know I'm spitting off the top, I'm hope you with it. Now these motherfuckers saying in the comments that I can't do this shit off the top, but bitch I stamp this beat. Now I go in, I flow in, I throw them to the side, cause motherfuckers I know this, that potent shit that you never really smoking. You listen and you feel like you's evoking in something crazy. I go in and know I wasn't lazy, I spin it off at the top of the dome and yeah I do that shit, yeah. Now you know my tongue a little twisted, this a freestyle? Nope, not a word was written, I don't give a shit. I'm here with my man David and my man Alex, best believe you gon' play this back to back. Now we do it, now they fell in the chat. Every time I do it, best believe I holler where you at. Now I'm living it like they want it, trying it cause I got it. Never to stop in the way that he doing it off of the top. I rock it, now I'm going, I'm flowing so fast you can't hear shit. It doesn't make sense, but man it sounds good. And I don't know, but I do this for show. It's me and Alex and David, and best believe we about to blow. And you know,
Damn.
dang, yo,
Fire.
yo, and it's passion over everything. Yo, who's trying to rep that Team Poet? If you ain't know.